Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to change color theme on Doordash. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to change color theme on Doordash. Maybe because you are a person who uses the app mostly in daytime, so you want the dark theme or maybe light theme that could suit your eyes. Or maybe you're a person who uses the app mostly at night time, so you want a dark theme so that it doesn't irritate your eyes. Or there could be any other reason for you to change the color theme of DoorDash. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, we have to make sure that you have already installed the DoorDash app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app get installed, make sure you also have created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the DoorDash app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have some of the options like categories at the top of the screen and some other options as well. And in the middle of the screen, you will find different stores and food products that you could order. And at the bottom, you will see these options. Now, if you want to change the color theme, as you can see first, the color theme of this app is right now the whiter one or the bright one, you could say. And now we will see how we can make into a darker theme, or we'll see if we have any other options or not. So at the bottom we have these options, therefore we have to select the right one. This one, just simply tap on this one, and then we will get into account. First you will read a title of account, and there you will see multiple options. Every option here is different from each other and has its own specific purpose that it performs in this app. So now you just have to scroll down, and then you will get into this section which says account settings. Under it, there you will see this option which says dark mode. Once you tap on it, there you will see that we have three options. Either you could turn on the dark mode, or you could turn off the dark mode, or if you have any other option selected as your mobile phone settings of the color theme, then you can choose it. Right now the dark mode is turned off, so we will click on and we'll see how the app looks. So here you can see the app just turned into dark theme, and once we go home we will see this kind of interface. Now if you already have a dark one, and if you want to make it into a brighter one, then you have to go to profile, or after that you have to click on off option, and then you will get a white theme. And once you get home you will see this. Now if you get back and we select this last option, which is the option that will select your mobile phone's theme, and whatever your mobile phone has selected, either dark or light, you will see that. So that's how you can choose any of the color theme of your choice. Whatever you prefer, you can go with that option. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can change the color theme of DoorDash. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.